Hello students, welcome back to studies Standard 8 Subject Science Chapter 8 Topic Pollution Part 1. Let us solve the questions and answers of this Chapter 8. Chapter 8 Pollution. Question number 1. Match the following. Column A. Water containing cobalt. Second, methane gas. Third, water containing lead. Fourth, sulfur dioxide. Fifth, nitrogen dioxide. Column B. A. Mental retardation. B. Paralysis. C. Inflammation of lungs. D. Skin cancer. E. Irritation of eyes. Now let us see the answer of this. Match the following. Answer. Water containing cobalt causes paralysis. Methane gas causes skin cancer. Water containing lead causes mental retardation. Sulfur dioxide causes irritation of eyes. And fifth, nitrogen dioxide causes inflammation of lungs. Let's move on to question number 2. Question number 2, true or false? First one. Water does not get polluted by washing the clothes in running water of river. Answer. False. Second point. More the use of electric appliances, more will be the pollution. Answer. True. True or false? Point number 3. Polluted water is responsible for diseases such as cholera, hepatitis, typhoid, skin diseases and diseases of the alimentary canal. Answer is true. Fourth point. When water is mixed with natural or artificial unwanted material, the dissolved oxygen level of such water increases. Answer. False. Fifth point. Though any amount of pollutants are added to the water, the toxic substances do not leach into water. Answer. False. Question number 3. Fill in the blanks. First point. Natural pollutants are destroyed in due course of time by natural rule. Air pollutants with sulfur causes color change in paints, oil, paintings, nylon, etc. Boards indicating the air quality index are displayed in the busy squares in metro cities. Fourth point. Soil fertility decreases due to pollution. Fifth point. Problem of water pollution increases due to soil pollution. In this manner, we have solved question number 3, fill in the blanks. Now let us jump on to question number 4, answer the following. First point, what is pollution? Answer, contamination of natural environment that can harmfully affect the environment is called pollution. Second point, what are pollutants? The product which affect the normal functioning of ecosystem and have an adverse effect on plants, animals and humans are called pollutants. Point number 3, which are visible pollutants known to you? Answer, the polluting substances that are not seen easily with the naked eyes can be called as visible pollutants. Example, solid waste, plastic articles, plastic bags. Point number 4. Which are invisible pollutants? Answer, the pollutants which are completely dissolved in water or mixed in the air cannot be seen and hence they can be called invisible pollutants. Example, the insecticides spread on the crops, aerosols, many hazardous gases in the air, toxic compounds that are totally soluble in water. Point number 5, what is greenhouse effect? Greenhouse effect is the phenomenon due to which global warming and climate changes occur. Though carbon dioxide, that is CO2, is present in very less quantity in the atmosphere, it plays very important role of absorption of solar heat. Over the last 100 years, proportion of carbon dioxide CO2 has been increased due to industrialization. Effect of this CO2 on the Earth's temperature is nothing but greenhouse effect. Point number 6, what is acid rain? Oxides of sulfur and nitrogen are released into atmosphere through burning of coal, timber and fossil fuels. Those oxides mix within rainwater and form acid like sulfuric acid, nitric acid, nitrous acid, etc. These acids mix with raindrops and snowflakes and come down as rain, which is called as acid rain. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel Kids Study Fun and Food. Hope you are liking my videos.